Hello mga ka-trending! Welcome back to ZK Trend. Latest update naman tayo ngayon ni Belle Mariano habang nasa Vancouver, Canada. Present ngayon si Belle Mariano sa ASAP Media Conference. Magkikita nga dito, nasa isang table ay kasama nga niya si Alexa Ilacan. At grabe nga ang kagandahan dito ni Belle. Marami tuloy ang napasabi na talaga namang di na-justify sa camera ang ganda ni Belle. Makikita rin dito na talaga namang napaka-Barbie at napaka-gorgeous ang formahan ng ating bida. Kita rin dito na sobrang saya ni Belle kasama nga ang ilang kapamilya artist. Kaya naman halina't panoorin natin ang konting clip sa naging media conference nga ng 30th anniversary habang nasa Vancouver, Canada.
Hello, Vancouver! See you on Saturday!
12:30 and
7:30!
You gotta watch both shows!
Yes!
Pacific Coliseum!
Yes! See you there!
Yes!
Hello, Vancouver!
Ang Philippines, nandito kami para awitan kayo at pasiyahin kayo. Okay naman, antok na. Same.
Me too. Those were the very best 32 minutes of my life. Wow. Yeah, because I had 4 tables, 32
Did you compute
times.
properly odds? 6 tables times 8.
6 ba? 48 pala.
48 pala.
Hinat ko pa sa utak ko kanina, 48.
Don't forget, we've been doing this for 30 years, so
It's the
This-
30th anniversary
30th
of ASAP.
anniversary
Round
of
of
ASAP.
applause. 30th
that's what
anniversary.
we're celebrating. Okay, I've been doing this for 30 years. Thank you, Darren. Thank you so much for reminding them all. And what better place to celebrate our 30th year than right here in Vancouver. So, thank you so much. 2 shows. Back to you, TJ.
All right, at this point,
Table 1. Alright, our next pair coming out. Please welcome the new gen host, Edward Barbers, and the premier host, Robbie Domingo.
Hi, Camila.
Come on over.
Alexa. Good morning.
Alright, come on over, say
I think
goodbye.
they will be sitting there.
Hello everyone. Magandang araw po. Hello to everyone doing. This is Robbie Domingo. The better version.
Hello, good morning to everyone. I hope you guys are excited for the big event happening on Saturday.
Yes,
And
we'll be
we're
there.
getting
Yes. So we have 8 minutes, right?
flew from
Questions?
I
flew from Calgary.
Okay, table
Okay.
2.
Okay, sure.
Table 2 is right here. Have a seat. Okay, next up, Asia's pop heartthrob, Darren, and pop battle royalty, Eric Santos. Come on over. Quick hi first, and then you'll head to your
Kaya palabas ako ng mic.
Good morning everyone. Hello po sa inyong lahat. My name is Darren. Thank you so much for being with us today. Mabuhay! Hi!
Hello!
Hello!
Ito, nasa gitna.
So nice to be here, to see all of you. Thank you for welcoming us here in Vancouver.
Table 3, Darren and Eric, table 3. Dun sa kaliwa, ayan. Next up, we
Papush
have the
ako.
Power Diva, Angeline Pinto, and the pop rock superstar, Yang Constantino. Good morning. Come on over, girls. Say hello na.
Magandang araw po. Thank you po for welcoming us. Si Ande. Sa mga relatives ko, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat and thank you very much sa oras na binigay ninyo para sa amin. Sana po ay maging handa po kayo sa mga magiging sagot ko ngayon. Joke lang. Thank you very much po.
thank you. Table 4, girls. Table 4. Table 4 tayo, to the left. Next pair of artists coming out, we have the Asian songbird, Regine Velasquez Alcacid, and the chief of OPM, Chief Oggy Alcacid. Come on over. Hello. Good morning, Oggy. Energy.
Yes po. Kay ano muna?
Hello everyone. We are very happy to be here.
Hello! Hello!